I don't know what you mean by a goof up. The error has been admitted by CBI already. There's nothing more to add to that.
Sir, we know not just Rashid but also terrorists, two of them, Huji terrorists in Hyderabad. One has been dead and one is languishing in jails. Their names have also been in that list.
You will have to give me these names. I'll have to check them out.
Sir, is the error regretted? What sort of statement are we expecting from it?
We have already given a statement. The statement was given by the Honorable Minister day before yesterday, and a statement has been made by the CBI about the subsequent error. And I can simply repeat those if you want me to.
सर क्या लगता है कि रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स की जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरह से गलती है खासकर पाकिस्तान की गलती को लिस्ट सौंपे जाने में ऐसे नामों को लेकर?
देखिए, किसी भी गलती पे रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स की जाती है और इंटरनेशनल अहमियत के जो मसले होते हैं उसमें ये आवश्यक है और ये रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स की जा रही है। मुझे पता चला है कि सीबीआई द्वारा कुछ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स की गई है और उसके बाद डिटेल इंक्वायरी वो कर रहे हैं।
एनएचए से कोई स्टेटमेंट भी आएगा इस कल की जो गड़बड़ी है राशिद को लेकर? कोई एनएचए से स्टेटमेंट आ रहा है?
अगर आवश्यक होगा तो अवश्य आएगा।
Could there be any more names in it? What is it that's being done to ensure that all 50 names are taken care of, are reviewed?
The MHA will do an exercise to ensure that there are no other errors.
So is there a possibility of recalling the entire list of 50 from Pakistan to just review all the names? Is that a possibility?
No, it is not a possibility.
And CBI is finally accepting the goof up and withdraws the wanted list, the list of the wanted person from its website following the major goof up. In fact, we have Nikunj with us on the phone line, but well on expected lines. Now that there are many goof ups in the most wanted list, there are reports that the CBI has decided to withdraw the list of the accused from its website. The list of the most wanted person from its website following two major goof ups. The list has been withdrawn temporarily. The list will now be reviewed. It will then be updated before being posted on its website. Well, for our viewers just joining in, this is the big breaking news. Remember, earlier there were reports that the CBI has made a second major goof up in the most wanted list, and now the CBI has decided to withdraw the list. Nikunj, we are not at all surprised by the move of the CBI.
Absolutely not, Harishi. I think most aptly said, not at all surprised. The fact of the matter is that what do? The agency which controls Interpol Delhi, National Center Bureau Delhi, which is the lead probe agency of the country, handles all the serious offences relating from starting from terrorism, ending up to terror financing, says that it cannot vouch for the authenticity of the list of. It is handing over to the Ministry of Home Affairs to be handed over to a second country involving at least two ministries of this country, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of External Affairs. Absolutely no surprise there. They had to withdraw the list. In any case, Government of India is now on record saying they will do a complete, thorough, fulsome review of the entire list. So they have ruled out a recall of the list from the Pakistan. But to do the review, you must obviously withdraw the list. You must obviously also withdraw the RCN list that you put out on your website without checking, verifying, doing the antecedent checks on the latest of each and every case, Harish.